Hi friend, thanks for choosing our jewelry laser spot welder. Now I'm going to show you how to install the system when you receive the machine for the first time. When you open the two boxes, you may find the laser, master unit, the water chiller, and a spare parts box attached. The microscope, the CCD monitor, the spare lamp and the lens, full switch and everything, you'll find them in one same box. Okay, now let's begin our tutorial from the first step, assembly. Please try to get your Allen wrench for help. This is the basement of the microscope, and there is a LED shutter inside the basement to protect your eyesight. By fixing this screw, the microscope is now installed tightly. Okay. You will find there is a cable coming out from the machine. There is one input and three output. Let's check out. The first one is power for microscope, the second one is power for monitor, and the third one is for light valve. 好，你先插这个吧。装。This one is actually for the monitor. But normally we add the extension cable so that you can place the monitor wherever you want. Okay, and then there is a BNC cable from monitor to here. Okay, now let's get to learn how to connect the power. First, you will find the small wire, which is for the chiller, and the bigger wire for the laser. Each wire got a cover on it. PE means earth wire, N means neutral, and L means live wire. Every wire got a cover. Then, okay, now let's get to the back side of the machine. You may find there are two pipes connected to the laser, one inlet and one outlet. Actually, there is no sequence. So, if you pick one randomly as the inlet, then the other will be the outlet. Just make sure it's a circulation. As to the gas, here is the port. It's a quick plug design, and we can insert the air hose into it and wiggle it, see if it is tight enough. Normally we choose argon gas, and the suggested pressure is 3 bar or 4 bar. I think now it is ready to start up. Okay, so far we have done all the preparations. But before the first startup, we need to full filled water. You see, it's full. Now, let's start the chiller first. Okay, it's running. Then, turn the K switch. Okay, this is the welcoming page. We need to press the red button and confirm. And wait for the charging. Okay, the work page appears. Now we can play with the machine. For spot welder, we always set the frequency as 1. And the current, which is related to the power, you need to set according to the materials you weld. For stainless steel or some alloy, 60 amperes is enough. But for silver or gold or copper, we can try 80 or 100, more than 100. The pulse width means how long for one spot lasts. You see now it's 1 ms. For alloy welding it's enough, but for silver or gold, we need 3 or 4. And here is the box to save your parameters. You can switch between different numbers and save the combinations. Here is the options to adjust the spot size by pressing the minus or plus. The password for the set is number 1. You can see more options here, including the language option.